So basically, all I did was pull the tab on this. It activated, it was on the phone. I probably should have recorded my phone screen so you could have seen it. But now, this is going to slip down inside the wallet. And down inside here, there's a little access door for the AirTag. I'm going to try to work it down in there, okay? Just like that. I'm going to work it down in there. See if I'm successful or not. There we go. Some of these things are always tight when they're new. There we go. There it is. See it? There we are. That's it. Obviously, it makes the wallet just a little thicker, but I really don't care. And that'll probably stretch around there with time. But that is the AirTag installed in the wallet. Really didn't take me long at all. But I think I'll grow into this. There's a little pocket here that it fits down in. And kind of just get it in there, and it'll work itself in very nicely. So that's the wallet with the AirTag in it.